Be the change you want to see in the world. Change can be good. Change is exciting. But it can also be scary. Since 1963, you've known us as Cambridge Engineering. The thing is, we do so much more than what our name suggests, which is why we are announcing we are changing our name to Cambridge Air Solutions and bringing to the forefront our mission of enriching lives. As facility leaders who embrace change, you want to help your associates be more productive, improve your company's ability to recruit top talent, and retain the dedicated people currently working within your organization. You are constantly striving to be successful. We get it. As leaders in warehouse facilities and industrial factories, you need better working environments for your hard-working people. But your facility is working against you. When the air in your facility is too hot in the summer, too cold in the winter, or too contaminated from your manufacturing process, you can turn to Cambridge Air Solutions for support and guidance. Different name, same commitment to excellence. Cambridge Air Solutions is intimately aware of your air ventilation challenges and how it impacts your ability to lead your organization. You see, we are a manufacturing company that faces the exact same problems. We operate in the very conditions you confront on a daily basis. We completely understand. The Cambridge Air Solutions brand and our commitment to enriching lives is more than a name, an icon, or a tagline change. It is our purpose. It is our promise to you. The first step is the easiest. Visit our website to learn more about our simple approach to designing and building air ventilation solutions. Second, you can call any of our seasoned experts to get answers to your specific tempered air ventilation challenges. They know your pain and are more than willing to help. And finally, schedule a visit from Cambridge Air Solutions to put our experienced team to work for you. We have served companies like yours for nearly 6 decades, working on over 40,000 projects across North America. Our heritage is helping companies solve these facility challenges. Our brand change represents a signal to our people, to our customers, and to our suppliers that Cambridge aspires to make a positive impact on the world. The C-shaped airflow icon reflects an image of forward air movement, forward momentum, and forward progress as a people-focused organization. At Cambridge Air Solutions, we promise to enrich people's lives through our guiding philosophy, our people-first culture, our quality products, and our impeccable service. Our new icon name and tagline reflect this unified brand promise. Choose Cambridge Air Solutions and enrich lives.